So I'm Dr. Purva Ranjan. I'm representing Delhi Metropolitan Education and Delhi Technical Campus. And 2 decades in industry, I've been spearheading projects like NAC accreditation, NBA, and I'm also spearheading now Deemed to be University project. So by all means, I'm the woman who makes the SOPs in the college. And I'm the most hated person because we make a beautiful crafted documents with nice borders and highlights and everything, and we're very good at, all Indians are good at making documents. But I've understood one thing, that the standard operating procedures are not people-centric. And whenever they are paper-centric and not people-centric, that's where the essence is lost. And especially, with no offenses to anyone, we are dealing with people in accreditation bodies who are boomers. Millennials are making the papers and it is getting implemented on Gen Z. And that's where the lot of conflict arises. So all the SOPs somewhere needs to be redefined in terms of whom are we making it for, who are the ones who are at the end receiving it, who are the ones who are the people in the team who are actually on ground implementing it. And that redefines your whole psychology towards standard operating procedures, because they are people who are a part of it, not papers. And with this mindset, we need to involve people like the fellow member said, stakeholders. And also, there are procedures which are meant to be redefined. We are not going to be stuck with something that was happening 10 years back and keep doing it efficiently again and again. We need to take a call that, is it working for us? And if it is not working, then how do we improvise it? And as and when the generation is changing, it is not a tradition that has to be enforced. It is for the betterment of the people for whom we are making it. So the only way to carry forward it to the next set of people is to redefine it as per the generation. Only then it can be. So colleges and universities should make a DNA actually that they should follow more, and which is evolutionary in nature rather than set of principles and being stuck with it. If it is not evolving, it is not going to be carried forward. So minor changes as and when we learn from it, improvise it, and ensure that people are with us in in the process that we are building for the people. So that's my take. Thank you.